The price of a first home isn't the wall. The cash to close is. Most buyers fixate on the sticker price, then on the monthly payment, and quietly miss the one number that actually stands between renting and owning. The pile of cash you have to hand over on closing day. Nobody prints it on the listing. This planner puts it first, then backs it into a real date and a monthly amount you can actually save. No guessing, no spreadsheet skills required. You've been pre-approved, felt a rush of relief, and still had no real idea how much cash you'd actually need in the bank to sign the papers. That's the gap this file closes. Meet Jordan and Alex, the sample buyers who ship inside, shown honestly as sample data. Their target, a $400,000 home, about 2 years out. Every figure you'll see comes from their real, recalculated workbook. So this isn't a demo of pretend numbers. One glance, and the whole picture is on the table. So start with the number nobody quotes you. Cash to close is 3 things stacked together. The down payment, $40,000, 10% of the price. Closing costs, $12,000, right around 3%. The fees for the loan, the title, the appraisal, and the prepaids. And reserves, $6,000, the cushion your lender wants left in the bank after you sign. Add them up and the sheet does it for you. $58,000. $58,000 to the keys. Not the $400,000 on the listing, not the $2,859 monthly payment. This is the actual check you have to write on closing day. Jordan and Alex have $23,001 saved against it already, 39.7% of the way there. Seeing the real target changes everything, because you simply can't save for a number no one has ever shown you. Now back that number into a date. The savings tracker takes what you still owe yourself and your target month and hands you a single figure, about $1,667 a month, roughly $833 every paycheck for 24 months. That's it. Not 40 line items. One monthly number that, if you hit it, lands you on your date with the full $58,000 in hand. And you get a place to watch it stack. Jordan and Alex have logged 3 months so far, $5,001 banked on top of their $18,000 head start, $23,001 of $58,000, 39.7%. Miss a month? Nothing breaks. The running total just tells you the truth, and the monthly number quietly adjusts to keep your date honest. But a date means nothing if the payment doesn't fit, so the file asks the hard question before you fall in love with a listing. At $400,000, the full monthly payment, principal, interest, taxes, insurance, and PMI, comes to about $2,859. The honest 28% guideline says your housing should stay under $2,520. Jordan and Alex land at 31.8% of income. The sheet says it plainly, over 28%, a stretch. Here's where honest beats optimistic. Instead of cheerleading you toward the listing you love, the planner computes the price that would actually fit inside the guideline, about $350,000. And a readiness checklist grades the whole plan. Credit pulled, pre-approval in hand, reserves saved. Jordan and Alex pass 5 of 8, 62.5% ready. That's not a rejection. It's a map. You see the stretch, and right beside it, the number that isn't one. One honest minute under the hood. This planner runs 352 formulas, and before a single screen was filmed, the workbook was recalculated clean, 0 formula errors, and passed 52 out of 52 independent math checks. Every screen in this video is that real file, nothing staged, nothing mocked up. It's an educational planning tool, not financial advice. The assumptions are yours to change, and the math reruns the instant you do. No fake reviews, no invented numbers, just your plan. So here's the invitation. Open the Setup tab, type your price, your savings, and your target month, and the planner hands you your cash to close, your monthly number, and your honest verdict in about 5 minutes. The first home buyer and down payment savings planner is $16.97, one time, with free lifetime updates. Walk into the bank knowing your number. Find it on Etsy. The link is in the description.